Don't let the Windows AccessBridge DLL error keep your apps from running. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I have the professional fix ready. Before we begin the manual steps for Windows AccessBridge, you can access a utility designed to help provide a clean system environment. This is the Windows AccessBridge, the Java AccessBridge 64-bit. It manages unmanaged communication between Java applications and Windows accessibility tools, like screen readers. It facilitates the data link for assistive technology manifests in Java UIs. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. The fastest way to fix this is to reinstall Oracle, head to Microsoft, download the x86 and x64 Visual C++ redistributable installers, and run them. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Windows AccessBridge component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. Avoid the trap of free file repositories for Windows AccessBridge DLL, as these platforms are frequently used to spread persistent browser hijackers and adware. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. If manual fixes haven't helped, the resource below offers general information about optimization software related to Windows AccessBridge. If this fix repaired Windows AccessBridge dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.